Sigurado kayo wala si Speaker, wala si Congressman Saldico sa anumang pagtitipon?
Madam Chair, in all the meetings that transpired, none of the presence of Congressman Saldico and Speaker Romualdez was there. They were not there.
You said you never met the Speaker, nor Mr. Saldico, our congressman. You're under oath, sir.
Yes, that was the time that I met with the
Sasabi
Speaker.
mo lang na hindi naman kayo nagkita. Sabi nyo sina Congressman Garbin lang.
Yeah, because it slipped my mind. It slipped my mind, Madam Senator. That was the
Okay
time
lang,
that
okay
I,
lang.
that, that
Kung
I
nakalimutan
sought, that
ninyo
was the
bigla,
time that I sought the help of the
Speaker Martin
Speaker
Romualdez supporting your group.
to help
Is
us
it-
in the signature.
Saan lugar to? Saan ginanap itong parting to? Para lang malaman namin.
Sa ano po 'yan? Sa townhouse sa Forbes, sa Forbes Park.
Kanino
Malapit sa-
nga? Kaninong lugar? Ipaliwanag. Wala namang masama magtipon-tipon sa bahay ng Miss Kishino.
ano ho yan? Dalawang townhouse.
Hindi, kanino
na,
po?
Na
Kaninong lugar?
pinagdikit.
Inyo? Bahay mo? Bahay mo po?
It's a meeting
Attorney
place.
Avisado,
It's
please.
our meeting place.
No, pero sino may-ari?
Sino ang
Sino may-ari ng bahay?
si Speaker Romualdez po?
Bahay ni Speaker Romualdez.
Yes.
Ganon. So, ang naging
Diyan
host
doon
at
po kami
nagkumbida ay si Speaker Romualdez. Tama po
Ako
ba?
po ang nagkumbida. Dapat
Paano
po
ka magkukumbida? Di mo bahay.
Oo nga.
Bira naman.
Oo nga po.
Mr. Oñate, when did you meet Congressman Garbin? When did you meet Congressman Garbin?
I met Congressman Garbin about a month ago.
A month ago.
Yes.
So prior to a month ago, you never thought of PI? Because he was the one spearheading it, according to him.
No, we launched PIRMA in 1996.
No, this particular initiative.
We've been talking about it in some parties,
Okay.
in some gatherings.
Well, it's okay to talk about it, but in terms of initiating, you only met Congressman Garbin a month ago. You said.
Yeah, about a month ago, yes.
So I guess it was only
but
a month ago that you also discussed this current initiative, because based on his comments earlier, he's very active in this. So did he simply join you afterwards? You were already starting it, or a month ago after you met, that's when you
We
agreed?
started it January 2.
You started it January 2.
January 2,
So
yes.
prior to meeting Congressman Garbin a month ago, you were not doing anything yet?
We were, but it was talking about it, and I
Opo,
said, and I
opo.
told them about my experience, that
So-
I launched it before and all that.
Sino po ang naghingi ng meeting nung nag-meet kayo? Siya po nanghingi ng meeting o kayo po nanghingi ng meeting?
No, this was several parties, several dinners, and some.
So you met
sometimes
socially?
and I volunteered the information that I know something about People's Initiative because we tried it before.
And you volunteered that information because he said he was interested in pursuing it.
And then I said, we can try it again because it's been my advocacy for the past 28 years, and why not?
When was this
we
party?
can do it again. Because,
When was this party, sir, and where was the place that you met and discussed that, and then you finally...
This was several parties, several.
Saan po?
Iba-ibang lugar eh. Ibang lugar.
Kasama po ba sa lugar na yon ang Kongreso o ang bahay ng Speaker?
Hindi naman. Pero I know a
Hindi
lot
po.
of people in the political circles, in the social circles, in the business circles.
Hindi po yun ang tinatanong ko.
Senator Cheese, if you will allow, in the news article sa PhilStar, Mr. Oñate admitted that the conveners of the People's Initiative coordinated with Congressman. Anong ibig sabihin ng coordinate? Sila ba
kasi
ang pasimuno o kayo?
Yeah.
I'm a little
because
bit
what we know-
confused. You're now saying January 2, but earlier you said it was Attorney Garbin who called you. Sino ba tumawag kanino?
Ako po ang nakipag-coordinate sa mga congressmen because according to the law, we are supposed to get 3% per congressional district.
Yes, we're
So
more
dahil
interested.
3% per congressional district, yung distrito na yon, a congressman ang leader doon sa
So
Kongreso.
who are these congressmen? Senator Cheese and I would like to know, who are the congressmen that your group coordinated with? Tinawagan ninyo o sila tumawag?
Ako ang nakipag-coordinate.
O, Senator
Madam Chair,
Cheese.
Madam Chair, so under oath, you admit that you coordinated this PIRMA initiative with congressmen since the 3% is required to be obtained per district.
Yeah, per district, yeah. That is
So,
the
Sino-sino?
requirement.
tamang-
Bigyan mo naman kami ng
of the-
pangalan. Ay, sorry, Chief. Go ahead.
So tamang strategy naman yun. Sasangayon naman ako, dealing with the question of the chairperson. Mr. Oñate, you said you contacted congressmen to get the 3% per district. Nasabi ko nga, kung ako din yung nasa kalagayan yung sinusulong to, kukontakin ko rin yung congressman dahil per district ang usapan, di naman per barangay eh. Di ba? Per district ang usapan, di naman per munisipyo eh.
Yeah,
So,
that's true.
papunta dun sa tanong ni Senator Amy, Chairman Amy, sino po yung mga congressman na kinontak po ninyo na umuo po sa inyo, natutulungan kayo na makuha yung 3%?
Kaya naman namin naisip na lumapit sa mga congressmen is
Yung mga pangalan na lang po, please. Marami po pa tayong
si
testigo. Nandito na si
Congressman
Justice
Rufus
Carpio.
Rodriguez,
At
kinausap namin.
nagpapasalamat
Si
tayo.
Congressman Garbin, kinausap ko.
Sino ba po? Sino ba po?
There are
Sina
several
Congressman Saldico kasama? At si Speaker Romualdez?
Sa Saldico, no, I didn't talk to Saldico.
Ganon po ba? Sigurado po kayo? Kasi marami-rami ang meeting ninyo, mga party, dinner. Sabi nga ninyo, ilang beses kayo. Sigurado kayo wala si Speaker, wala si Congressman Saldico sa anumang pagtitipon?
Madam Chair, in all the meetings that transpired, none of the presence of Congressman Saldico and Speaker Romualdez was there. They were not there. Ako naman, nilapitan ni Mr. Oñate because he knew for a fact that in the 18th Congress, I was the chair of the Committee on Constitutional Amendments who defended the resolution of both houses number 2 that, pass the restrictive economic provisions of the Constitution.
With due respect to Congressman Garbin, we will just recognize the chairperson because they're flashing a very important picture on screen.
There we go. I think that's as big as we can get it.
pwede-
People's Initiative for Charter Change, staff meeting, January 8. Can you tell us who are in the picture, Mr. Oñate, please?
Madam Senator.
The question is who, sir?
But you
That
said
was the
you
time-
never
that
had
was the
any
time
meetings.
that I coordinated with the Speaker.
You said you never met the Speaker, nor Mr. Saldico, our congressman. You're under oath, sir.
Yes, that was the time that I met with the Speaker.
Sasabi mo lang na
to-
hindi naman kayo nagkita. Sabi nyo sina Congressman Garbin lang.
Yeah, because it slipped my mind. It slipped my mind, Madam Senator. That was the
Okay
time
lang,
that I-
okay
that-
lang.
that
Kung
I
nakalimutan
sought- that
ninyo
was the
bigla,
time that I sought the
is
help of the
Speaker Martin
Speaker
Romualdez supporting your group?
to help
Is
us
it-
in the signature campaign. Yes.
Okay, so it's very clear that Speaker Martin Romualdez is supporting your group po. He is all out behind the People's Initiative. Is that correct?
Yes, we coordinate with the Speaker and the
Thank you very
Congressmen
much, and
in
I'll,
getting the
give it
3%
back
per
to-
congressional district. That's correct, Madam Senator.
Thank you very much for helping us along with this investigation. I'd like to turn it back to Senator Cheese.
I'll wind up, Madam Chair. That was the point I wanted to establish, Madam Chair, distinguished colleagues, na maliban dun sa mga kongresistang binanggit nyo, baka kung si Speaker Romualdez nakalimutan yung banggitin, siguro mas marami pa kayong ibang nakalimutang banggitin. So, sa pagkakaalala nyo, kesa magpakita pa ho kami ng ibang litrato, sino pa pong mga kongresista ang nakausap nyo para makakuha ng pirma sa kada distrito?
As I have said
With the
earlier,
permission, Madam Chair, with the permission of Congressman Garbin, the question is being addressed to Mr. Oñate. Since he is the lead convener here and merely asked for the help of Congressman...
he's not the lead convener, Madam Chair, for the record.
You
We
just said so.
He
I'm
just said so.
confused.
for pirma. But there's a different
So
movement.
Pirma is no longer the lead convener.
No.
Please enlighten us.
Pirma is just one of the of the movement that
Pwede ba
goes around.
magkasundo kayo? Kasi iba-iba yung sinasabi ninyo, nalilito po kami eh.
Just to be clear, Madam Chair, Pirma is just one of the movement that goes around the country to gather signatures for this people's initiative. In the Bicol region, I may say that I'm the one leading and collecting signatures,
Okay.
making it for the Bicolanos understand what they signed for.
Salamat po. Ibalik natin kay Mr. Oñate po.
Yes, if I may
Senator
go back to Mr. Nato, because Congressman Garbin, kasama ka lang sa et al. Ang nakasulat sa petitioner, si Attorney Abad, na inamin ni Mr. Oñate na isa daw sa mga conveners nila ng pirma. Di po ba? So, is Attorney Abad part
The
of Ako
volunteers.
Bicol or the new organization you put up, or is he part of pirma?
Not part of Ako Bicol, not
It's
part
part of
of Pirma, but
part
when
of
he
Pirma.
started independently as an advocate of this people's initiative.
Kaangkin lang po ni Mr. Oñate na bahagi si Attorney Abad ng pirma.
Yes.
Sinabi niyo po kanina. Hanggang ngayon po, sinasabi niyo.
He is part
So-
of Pirma.
So,
The only thing is, I think the lawyers forgot, is because the first batch of the forms that were printed, the name of Attorney Abad was used. But the subsequent forms are now Pirma.
okay.
Because the first batch was Anthony Abad.
Okay, ngayon, matanong ko po kayo. So kayo yung nagpa-print ng form na Attorney Abad? Yes or no?
Yeah, well, I
Yes or no, sir?
I didn't have a hand in the printing of the forms.
No?
No.
So no. Okay.
Kayo po ba yung nagpa-print ng form na may pirma na nakalagay? Wala ng Attorney Abad?
Yes.
Kayo po nagpa-print?
Yeah, the subsequent
Yes.
forms that were printed, pirma na.
Pirma na po.
Oo.
Ilan
Ang
po
nangyari
yung...
lang yung mga naunang form, Anthony Abad.
Sino po yung nagpa-print nun? Convener niyo po si Attorney Abad?
Mga volunteers po.
Mga volunteers
Mga
po.
volunteers ang nagpa-print.
Yung pirma mismo na nakalagay, kayo na nagpa-print.
Oo, yung law firm sila.
Magkano po ginastos nyo sa pagpapaprint ng form na may pirma?
I don't have the exact figures right now. Let me consult with
Please ask
my
him.
lawyer.
Yeah, I'm sure they should know. You knew this was going to be discussed.
Well, what I know is that the figure that I know, I don't know the figure regarding the printing of the forms. But the figure that I know is the airing of the advertisement. That's the figure that I know.
Pupunta po tayo doon.
The-
Doon muna tayo sa-
the
mas mahal po yun eh.
The advertisement cost 55 million. ABS-CBN, TV5,
Madam Chair?
and GMA 7.
Yes, if
But
Senator Cheese will
printing,
allow,
I
sorry.
don't have the figures.
So although you printed the forms with the pirma at the bottom, you have no clue how much it cost.
No,
This is remarkable.
Because it's the staff that knows. Because I don't know
Okay.
I don't know everything.
With the permission of Senator Cheese, there's a quick manifestation from Senator Bato here.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Chair. Mr. Unyate, I just would like to remind you na sana, remind lang kita, baka sunod-sunod yung pagsisinungaling mo ba? Ha? Una, alam mo, under oath ka. Tapos sinabi mo kanina, you never had a meeting with the speaker, kung sino-sino mang nasa likuran nito. Ngayon, when
No,
we
I
show you
didn't
the
say-
picture,
I didn't-
makinig ka muna. When we show you the picture, sabi mo, it slips your mind. Kaya I'm just giving you a fair warning, ha? Fair warning. Please, do not lie before this committee. Please, do not lie before this committee, ha? Magpakatotoo tayo dito.
No, because I was asking my lawyers sino yung pwede kong banggitin. Ang sinabi nila, si Rufus Rodriguez and Congressman Harbin.
Kaya nga,
But
sabi mo kanina, tinanong ka ng chairman,
Speaker Romualdez, and I didn't say that.
hindi kasama sa meeting, pero nandiyan, may picture.
In fact, if you check my interviews with the various radio stations, I mentioned to them that I went to Speaker Romualdez to seek his assistance regarding People's Initiative.
Madam Chair.
Thank you for that
Yeah,
clarification.
I
Thank you.
admitted in various interviews.
Madam Chair, I saw your interviews actually, Mr. Oñate, and you were very vocal and honest about the fact that you sought the Speaker's assistance. Now, may I ask, what kind of assistance did he give you?
Administrative and advisory. Because being the Speaker, he is like the CEO
Of the House?
of Congress, yes.
So ano po yung administrative na tulong na binigay niya sa'yo para makalap yung 3% per district?
Yung mga tao namin, pupunta sa isang distrito, makikipag-coordinate sila sa congressman because it's the congressman who is in turn the CEO of the district.
I
Kasi
agree with you.
distrito niya yun eh. So natural lamang
Kaya sinasabi ninyo, sa
pupuntahan
madaling
namin yung
sabi,
congressman.
So hindi talaga kaya ng pirma isa-isahin ang mga distrito. Ang nakatutok, si Speaker, inuutusan yung mga congressman. Tama?
Hindi naman po. Kami po ang pumupunta sa mga
Pagsasabihan ko
congressman
lang
at
si
humihingi kami
Atty.
ng tulong sa
Abisado na
kanila.
wag mag-coach please. Anong sabi po ninyo? Hindi ninyo kaya, di ba, sa pirma? Kasi napakaraming distrito. So nagpatulong kayo at sila yung nakatutok.
There are 250 districts, 257
So inaamin
districts.
ninyo na ang nakatutok, yung kongresista at si Speaker. Tama po ba? Kasi
Tinutulungan
kailangan
kami,
ninyo yung tulong
tinutulungan
eh.
kami ng kongresista dahil distrito po niya yung
Apo. Madam Chair.
Anong uri ng
congressional
tulong?
Madam
district.
Chair, can I be recognized, Madam Chair?
No, let us finish, please. Yes, it's our hearing. Thank you. Back to Mr. Oñate po. Anong tulong ang binibigay ng mga kongresista at ni Speaker?
Ang tulong nila, kung ano yung population ng distrito nila, kung saan po,
makukuha
kung saan
naman yun
kukuha ng-
online po.
kung saan kukuha ng mga boto, tinuturo nila, yun, basically administrative ang tulong nila.
If I may, hindi nyo naman kilala yung mahigit 250 kongresista, so kailangan talaga na makapagbigay ng administrative na tulong ang Speaker na masabihan yung mga congressman na pag nagpunta yung tao nyo doon o kayo, asikasuhin.
Opo. Inamin ko naman po sa mga radio stations at sa mga interviews sa TV and all that. In fact, there are days that I'm being interviewed 3 times, 4 times a day. And grabe kung makatawag ang
I've seen
ang
most of the
media.
interviews, sir. I've seen most of the
10
interviews.
beses, no? Walang tigil. Kaya
Nan-
pag-coordinate ako kay Speaker, natulungan naman kami sa aming pagpapapirma sa mga distrito.
Kasama po ba sa
Kasi
administrative?
sumusunod lang po kami sa batas. Sinasabi po ng batas na
3%.
pumunta kami sa congressional district at kumuha ng 3% per congressional district.
Kasama po ba sa tulong yung pagsang-ayon doon sa timetable na nakita at pinalabas na rin sa media na may timetable na sa gantong petsa, dapat na-submit na, sa gantong petsa, dapat na-file nyo na, sa gantong petsa, dapat i-verify, sa gantong petsa, dapat plebisito na. Ang sinasabi ng ilang mambabatas ay June, July daw dapat ang target. Tama po ba yan? Kasama yun sa napag-usapan at
ganung
napagkasunduan.
target, pero hindi naman absolute yung target na yon. Ako nga po, sinasabi ko, kung hindi kaya ng June, July, baka September, October.
Ang tanong ko
Kasi
po,
hindi ko rin alam eksakto kung kailan matatapos. Pero, I mean, a few months. Kaya sinabi ko din na, kasi yan din ang tanong ng mga nag-i-interview. Sabi ko, mga 2 to 3 months, because I don't have the exact timetable also.
so yung pag-set po ng timetable na yon kasama o factored in na yung administrative na assistance ni Speaker at ng ilang mga mambabatas para maitalaga yung dates na ma-meet hanggat kaya.
Yeah, more or less, we have a timetable, but the timetable is not on exact dates.
And this timetable was agreed
2 to 3
upon,
months, 2 to 3 weeks.
and this
Ganun po,
timetable
Mr.
was
Senator.
agreed upon or at least discussed in that meeting. This timetable was agreed upon or at least discussed in this meeting when you asked for his assistance.
Wala namang timetable na eksakto, parang
Period, may range.
Estimate lang, estimate. Oo.
Opo, yung estimate na timetable na pag-usapan at napag-agrihan sa pulong na ito o isa na to sa mga pulong na napag-usapan yon.
Yes, more or less po.
Ngayon, maliban sa administrative na tulong, ano pa po ang binigay na tulong ng tanggapan ng Speaker?
Wala na po. Administrative
Dalawa po yung
lang
binanggit nyo kanina. May I appeal to the records? An advisory. Ano pong advisory ang binigay sa inyo?
Ina-advise kami kung saan maraming mga tao na pipirma, kung saan basically ang tinuturo nila yung C&D sector ng mga voters.
Bakit daw po?
They tell us to concentrate on the C&D kasi sila ang nakakarami. We were told that 75 to 80% of our voters belong to the C&D market. So doon kami nagpupunta.
Sino po nagsabi sa inyo?
Yung mga congressmen po.
Mm,
Alam nila
maliban,
kung saan madaming mga botante.
kung saan madami para mas madaling puntahan.
Parang kunyari, let's say you're going to a supermarket and then you want to buy something.
Mm.
Of course, you cannot ask the supervisor of the supermarket where I can buy this stuff or ganun din po ang ginawa namin. Pagpunta sa distrito, tinatanong namin sa distrito, sa congressman, CEO ng distrito, kung saan kami pupunta at makakuha ng madaming pirma.
Last 2 points, Madam Chair, if you will bear with me. So, yung tagumpay ninyo, thus far, na nakakuha na kayo na mahigit 3% sa mahigit 200 distrito, hindi nyo po magagawa ito ng kayo lamang kung wala ang tulong o administrative support, advice ng mga kongresista.
Malaking tulong po ang nagbibigay ng mga kongresista sa pag-identify kung saan kami kukuha ng mga signatures.
At kung wala nga po yun, mahihirapan tulad ng mga nakaraang karanasan ninyo.
Magagawa naman po pero medyo matatagalan.
Hindi kasing bilis tulad ngayon. Hindi kasing
Pardon
bilis
me.
tulad ngayon.
Ano daw?
Sabi nyo magagawa naman, pero
Oo,
kung
hindi,
wala ang
oo,
tulong ng
oo,
kongresista, hindi kasing bilis tulad ngayon.
Oo, mas mabilis kung may tulong ng kongresista kung pinpointing to us where to get the signatures.
Ngayon, isang tanong na lamang po, yung 55 million na ginasis nyo para sa EDSA Puera Ad, saan po galing yon?
Ako po ang nag-provide noon, binigay ko yung cash kay Mr. Greg Garcia. Yung aming PR, siya yung
Si
aming
Greg
PR.
pa gumawa nun?
Oo.
Saan po galing yung 55 million?
Pera ko po yun. Contribution sa akin ng mga kaibigan, mga supporters namin.
So mga $1 million po yun, di ba?
More or less po. Opo.
So personal, magkano po sa 55 million ang pera ninyong personal?
Mga kalahati po nun.
So mga 26.
More or less.
Sorry, mali.
More or less. 55, mga 27 point,
Sorry,
27.5.
polisay lang po ako, hindi ako math major tulad ni Senator Pimentel. Yung kalahati, saan galing yung bulto? Ano yung pinakamalaking contribution?
Yung bulto nga po, ako po ang nagpondo nun.
Yung kalahati na nga po.
Yung kalahati, maraming mga contributors.
Mga tigma
donors.
magkano po?
May mga nagbigay ng 1 million, may nagbigay ng 500,000, may nagbigay ng 2 million.
Pwede niyo po bang banggitin kung sino yung mga nagbigay ng milyon?
I don't recall right now.
Pero pwede ninyong handa naman yung committee tanggapin pag nabigay ninyo yung record.
Can my lawyer be the one to answer that?
Who is
Because
your
I
lawyer,
don't-
by the way? Is Attorney Abisado who
Abisado.
seems to be coaching you here as your counsel or as a resource person?
Madam Chair, I really apologize. Please, because Mr. Noel Oñate has difficulty hearing. That's why I keep on repeating what the good Senator Escudero has been asking.
Thank you, sir.
I just relay, Your Honor, I do not coach. I'm really sorry.
So may we know that the million peso contributors, yung 1 million and above lang
I
po,
have to ask them if I can give their names.
Sige, dahil ang problema dyan, di ba may donor's tax din dyan, Senator Cheese?
yan yung math major, oh.
Oh, di, nagbayad ba sila ng donor's tax?
I can compute the amount because that's math. Pero ang tanong legal eh.
No,
there
kindly
should be my opinion, Madam Chair. There should be
kindly inquire, sir, if they consent.
6%.
And we will also research if we can compel. The reason why perhaps the committee can compel disclosure is because, public interest demands accountability and transparency. Hindi ito isang bagay na kinakahiya. Tulad nga ng sinabi ni Congressman Garbin kanina, noon pa niya paborito, noon pa niya gusto to. Chairman pa lang siya ng Constituent Amendments. And in fact, it's the first time that I thought Congressman Garbin was one of your lawyers, but apparently he's one of the conveners. But it's the first time that I saw him. So this matter of PI, if you really believe in it, it's not something that you should be ashamed or embarrassed about. The same is true with your donors. And on the part of the public, on our part, well, accountability and transparency dictate that we should know who are the people behind it. Let me give you some advice, Mr. Oñate, if you really believe in charter change. For me, I may be wrong. The main reason why PIRMA has failed in its past attempts, and probably even this one, is because people don't trust those who are supposedly behind it because they're always hiding behind someone else. So it's an opportunity for your donors as well to come out and be proud of that. I will not fault them for believing in something that I disagree with, for example. In fact, I will respect them for coming out in the open. Kumbaga, kung ayaw nilang lumabas, wala silang pinagkaiba doon sa mga nakatestigo kanina nakamasker at nakashades. Hindi naman po siguro ganun yun. Wala naman silang inaakusan na krimen na ginawa. This is something I believe that they should stand up and be counted for. Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Mr. Oñate. I hope you will talk to your donors.
The
Madam
bulk of the
Chair.
money came from me. So,
Yes, I
We
think
take note of that,
the
sir.
bulk of the money came from me.
hearing.
There's a developing consensus over here, Madam Chair, that we can compel our resource person, Mr. Oñate, to divulge the names of his donors. At 12:30 p.m. pa lang naman, hindi pa naman tayo patapos. He can call his office to get the names. The names must be divulged to this committee this afternoon before we end. Dapat ganun. Oo. Kasi tama, narinig namin yung kay Senator Chis, and I hope Mr. Oñate agrees with Senator Chis. Public, ganun to eh. Public issues. Public issues, wag mahiya yung nag-donate. Oh.
Yeah, Mr. Senator, I already disclosed or I already admitted that the bulk of the money came from me.
Pero kalahati
So
lang po
you
yun.
have a partial compliance. We need full compliance. So,
Yeah, kasi yung mga ibang amount naman maliliit na.
di bali po, ako na po magsusumat total doon sa sige po. Yung 27.5 million ang ating account po. Sige po. So, what do we do with that matter, Madam Chair? I think we should compel the
No, I think
we
that's
should
now a
compel the-
motion, and
Yes,
we therefore compel Mr. Oñato to produce the said documents at the soonest possible time. Yes, Attorney Avisado, please.
Oo. Yeah, you have to give me time to talk to them kasi ako naman lang mapapahiya sa mga kung banggitin ko yung mga pangalan nila,
Kasasabi lang po ng minority leader before 2 p.m. sana this afternoon. Magsesesyon pa kami eh. At saka madali naman yun eh.
Madam Chair,
Naka-record naman yan.
may I be allowed to ask a
Po.
few questions to Mr. Oñate?
I'm sorry, Congressman. I think our
Sa-
rules don't allow resource persons to interpolate po. Okay lang? Okay. But everyone agrees to suspend
you.
in your case.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Mr. Oñate, alam po ninyo yung kahalagahan ng initiative na ito at kakailanganin ninyo ang maraming resources dito. Hindi po biro-biro ito, tama po.
Yes, I agree.
Yung pagpapapirma lamang po, Mr. Oñate, kakailanganin ninyo ang hindi kukulangin ng 8 milyon para ma-address nyo yung threshold na 12% ng ating total registered voters. Hindi po ba?
12% of our total number of voters is about 8 million.
Oo nga po. Ngayon, meron po tayong about 257 legislative districts. Alam po ninyo yun. Kailangan po ninyong masatisfy yung second threshold na 3%. Kaya napilitan kayo, ayaw nyo man siguro, na magpatulong na kayo sa mga representatives ng kani-kanyang distrito. Tama po ba yun?
Yes, that's correct.
Sapagkat nagiging practical kayo siguro, sapagkat sa inyo lang, siguro kahit na yung et al na ito, ilan po ba kayo? Kahit na siguro 100 kayo, mahihirapan pa rin kayo na pumunta sa iba't ibang dako ng ating kapulungan para magpapirma lang kayo, lalo na kung ipaliliwanag pa ninyo, sapagkat hindi pipirma ang tao kapag hindi nila ganap na naunawaan kung ano ang kanilang pinipirmahan. Yung bahagi ng pagpunta sa kanila, pagpapaliwanag, yun po yung malaking panahon na kakailanganin ninyo. Kaya naisipan ninyong pumunta siguro sa mga miyembro ng House of Representatives. Tama po, Mr. Oñate?
Tama po.
Pero nakalimutan mo akong puntahan, di ba?
Yeah, okay, kasi hindi ko,
O ngayon, dahil wala akong
hindi ko
district.
po kayo kasi.
Ngayon, ganito po, Mr. Oñate, Meron po ba kayong nalalaman na batas na pinagbabawal po yung ginawa ninyo na makipag-ugnayan sa mga kongresista?
Wala naman po kasi yung
Teka po, hindi
People's
po ako
Initiative
tapos
is enshrined in our Constitution and it is the right of the people to
So wala
make that
pong,
initiative. Yun po ang sabi sa akin ng mga lawyer.
so wala pong batas na nagbabawal sa inyo, lalong-lalo na po kung kayo nagpapatulong dahil sa paniwala ninyo, ito ay isang bagay na kinakailangan ninyong gawin. So lumapit po kayo, paniwala ninyo na wala namang batas na nagbabawal nito at hindi po kayo makukulong. Tama po.
Tama po.
Salamat po, Madam Chair.
Thank you for all the leading questions. Maraming salamat sa ating kongresista. Napakagaling na abogado para kay Mr. Oñate.
Madam
Opo.
Chair.
Gusto ko lang balikan yung ating retrato na nandito sa harap natin. Galing po ito sa cellphone ninyo, January 8. Tama po ba, Mr. Oñate?
Oo, tama.
And that's in fact you in the picture, that's correct?
You confirm that it's you.
You confirm that this is you in the picture?
Yes.
And you also confirm that it's Speaker Romualdez in the picture?
Yes.
And it is Congressman Saldico in the picture?
Yes, yeah.
Can you read the caption, please? Yung caption sa ilalim po. May nakasulat,
Yes,
di ba?
that's true. That's correct.
Initiative.
Oo.
Tama po ba?
Tama po.
At maliban sa pagkain, klaro na may mga dokumento sa table. Meeting po to, hindi lang party. Anong pinag-usapan?
Meeting po yan kung paano kami makikipag-coordinate sa mga congressmen.
Saan lugar to? Saan ginanap itong parting to? Para lang malaman namin.
Sa ano po yan? Sa townhouse sa Forbes, sa Forbes Park.
Kanino
Malapit
nga? Kaninong lugar? Ipaliwanag. Wala namang masama magtipon-tipon sa bahay ng Miss Kishino.
ano ho yan? Dalawang townhouse.
Hindi, kanino
na,
po?
Na
Kaninong lugar?
pinagdikit.
Inyo? Bahay mo? Bahay mo po?
It's a meeting
Attorney
place.
Avisado, please.
It's our meeting place.
No, pero sino may-ari?
Sino ang
Sino may-ari ng bahay?
si Speaker Romualdez po?
Bahay ni Speaker Romualdez.
Yes.
Ganon. So, ang naging
Diyan po,
host
doon
at
po kami
nagkumbida ay si Speaker Romualdez. Tama po
Ako
ba?
po ang nagkumbida. Dapat
Paano
po
ka magkukumbida? Di mo bahay.
Oo nga.
Bira naman.
Oo nga po, dapat po yan sa bahay ko. Dahil meron ho akong party house sa Dasma, walang tao doon.
Pero hindi ba maliwanag na kung bahay ni Speaker,
ang sabi ng staff, doon na lang gawin sa bahay ni Speaker. Dalawang bahay ni Speaker isa sa
Okay.
McKinley at isa...
hindi ba
At isa sa-
maliwanag?
Ha?
Hindi ba maliwanag kung bahay ni Speaker siya nagpatawag ng meeting, di talagang
Ako po ang
nakikialam si
ako po
Speaker
ang
sa People's
ako po ang
Initiative?
nag-initiate ng meeting. Pero sinabi po na doon na lang gawin sa townhouse ni Speaker. But ako po ang nag-initiate.
Ay,
Dapat po sa
ganon.
bahay ko, pero sinabihan ako, doon na lang pumunta.
Sino nagdala ng papeles? Kasi bahay niya. Ikaw
Ang
nagdala ng papel?
Ang mga lawyer po.
Yung mga lawyer.
Ang mga lawyer po, dala-dala
So,
nila yung
bahagi
mga
ka
papeles.
talaga ng Project PI. Yung Project PI na tinetext sa mga kongresista, pati ako nga na-text kasi luma na yung number ko eh. Bahagi kayo ng Project PI.
Yeah. Kasi I sought the help of the speaker. Inamin ko
Yeah,
naman po.
you've said that before.
Natulungan kami
Opo.
dito sa signature gathering.
Right. Okay, kilala ninyo itong sina Attorney Redentor Tuason?
I don't know.
Suset Sumalinog, Timothy Lagundi? Kilala ninyo itong mga to?
Hindi po.
Okay. Kasi meron kaming mga screenshot doon sa Project PI na galing sa mga congressman. At sabi mo, nakikipag-coordinate ka kay Speaker na CEO at sa mga hawak
ng
niyang
Congress. Yeah,
congressman.
that's correct. That's correct, Madam Senator.
Okay. So,
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
yes po. Yes, Senator Bato, please. Ayan yung mga screenshot. Kasi sabi mo, bahagi ka ng Project PI. Nagtatanong lang ako, baka kilala mo itong mga to? Andito yung mga pangalan.
Hindi
pala ninyo kilala.
Hindi
Kasi-
ko po kilala.
Anong pagkaintindi mo dyan sa message na yan? Pakibasa lang po.
Hindi ko po alam, I don't know all of the details because,
Hindi, lahat ng kongresista pinapasubmit, ano? Sa National Secretariat, Attorney Red Tuason. Ayun. Ayan ang hinihingi nila, yung mga kopya, at saka accomplished signature forms. Kasi sabi ninyo, may kinalaman kayo sa second batch ng signature forms, di po ba?
yes.
So isasubmit dito sa mga taong hindi ninyo kilala, samantalang kayo ang nagpa-imprenta? Senator Bato, please.
Madam Chair, gusto ko lang ipa-confirm kay Mr. Oñate, since sinabi niya kanina na he sought the help of the speaker para makakuha ng perma. So, pumayag siya. In fact, nag-meeting kayo, di ba?
Yes.
Pumayag siya. So, meaning, sinabi mo, perma ang nasa likuran nitong People's Initiative, humingi kayo ng suporta galing kay Speaker Romualdez, pinigyan kayo ng tulong, ng suporta para tumakbo ng yung People's Initiative. Ibig sabihin, si Speaker Romualdez isa na rin sa nasa likod ng
Pumayag naman po si Speaker.
pumayag siya.
Pumayag si Speaker.
Nasa likuran na rin siya.
Natulungan kami kasi siya ang CEO ng Congress.
Kaya nga, gusto ko lang i-confirm sa'yo na siya rin ay kasama na, nasa likod na rin, nagpapatakbo ng PI. Dahil nga, tumulong siya sa inyo, di ba?
Yeah, he is helping us.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that answer.
Madam Chair.
Maraming salamat. So, kinukumpirma mo. Parang naguguluhan ako. Kinukumpirma na politicians initiative tulad ng sinabi ni Senator Bato.
Hindi naman po.
people.
Tumutulong lang sila. Pero kami ang nasa forefront ng pagpapapirma. Oo. Palagay ko, wala namang masama na tumanggap ng tulong
Okay.
sa mga
Madam
congressmen. Dahil
Senator JV
distrito nila
has
yun
been